All right, we're going to combine, I'm going to get rid of the x's because it just looks easier to me. So first I'm going to combine these two because the x's will go away. We have x minus y plus z equals 2, and then negative x plus 6y plus z equals negative 1. The x's do go away, and you have 5y plus 2z equals 1, and here's our first equation. Okay, our next one's to combine. I have to use the middle equation because I haven't used it yet, and so I've got to multiply these two, except the x's won't go away, so I'm going to also have to multiply this entire equation by 2. And that way, that would make that negative x into a negative 2x. So I'm going to write the first one down. So you have a 2x minus 3y plus 5z equals negative 3. And then I'm multiplying the 2 times the third equation. So that's negative 2x plus 12y plus 2z equals negative 2. The x's go away, and you have 9y plus 7z equals negative 5. And these equations are basically just ugly. There's nothing sweet about them. So, if I look at the y's, I would have to get the problem to be 45. If I look at the z's, I would have to get the coefficients, not the problem, the coefficients to be 14. So I'm going to get the coefficients to be 14 because it's a smaller number, which means I'm going to multiply this equation times 7 and this equation times 2. So I'm going to come up here, and that's going to be 35y plus 14z equals 7, and it's going to be 18y plus 14z times a negative 10. Okay, the 14s are one's positive and one's negative, so this time I'm going to subtract, and when you subtract, you change the sign on you have to subtract the entire equation, which changes every single sign. So you combine 35 and 18, or you subtract, and you have 17y. The z's go away, and it equals 17. Divide both equations by 17, and y equals 1. Okay, I'm going to plug y into this equation. Excuse me. And that's going to be 5y, except I know that's 1, plus 2z equals 1. 5 plus 2z is 1, and you subtract 5 from both sides, and you have 2z equals negative 4. Divide both of those by 2. Z equals negative 2. Now we have two variables already, so I'm going to plug these back into the top equation, and then I'm going to put x minus y, which is 1, plus z, which is a negative 2, equals 2. And so you have x minus 3 equals 2. Add 3 to both sides. X equals 5, and we now have all three variables. That is 5, 1, negative 2. And you write it as an ordered triple, so that's x, y is 1, and z is negative 2.